Welcome to the MecSoft User Spotlight series, where you can see real customers using MecSoft products. Today we'll be spotlighting Moore Brothers Company and their use of VisualCAM for SOLIDWORKS CNC software. One of the most exciting things we get to do here at MecSoft Corporation is give voice to the hardworking men and women who use our software on a daily basis while fulfilling their passion through manufacturing. Moore Brothers Company, located in Warren, Rhode Island, is a small but growing startup owned and operated by brothers Oliver and Samuel Moore. The pair have combined their engineering backgrounds, experience in shipbuilding, fiberglass, composites, and CNC machining with their love of the great outdoors. We recently sat down with Moore Brothers to discuss their use of VisualCAM for SOLIDWORKS CNC software from MecSoft Corporation. Oliver and Samuel Moore felt they had some unique ideas about how to better employ CNC machining in the field of boat building and composites design. To this end, the company purchased 3 and 5-axis ShopBot CNC machining centers and chose MecSoft's VisualCAM for SOLIDWORKS software to run them. VisualCAM provides Moore Brothers Company with a full range of 2.5 through 5-axis continuous and index machining strategies with customizable ShopBot post-processors included with the software. Here is some of what Oliver Moore had to say about VisualCAM.
I really thought the plugin through SOLIDWORKS is pretty seamless. It works really well. It's very intuitive. At least I think so. Which I find refreshing, that you don't need a whole. I didn't need a whole ton of training, which I think is one of its selling points. I've been really impressed with the support I've gotten from MecSoft. Whenever I've had an issue, it's been very quickly addressed, and I think the value you get for what you pay for is extremely good.
Thanks, Oliver. Moore Brothers Company designs and manufactures composite molds and uses them to produce both fiberglass and carbon fiber boat components for its customers. In the core half of the mold shown here, index 5-axis setups are used to produce 2.5 and 3-axis roughing operations. Then, VisualCAM's continuous 5-axis surface normal machining strategy is used for finishing the part surfaces. In continuous 5-axis surface normal machining, the cutter always remains normal to the part surfaces, while the cut pattern is driven by selectable drive surfaces. This strategy allows the entire component to be machined without it having to be repositioned, saving time and increasing accuracy. Here's a short video of the part being machined on the ShopBot 5-axis machining center at Moore Brothers. In this image, the VisualCAM machining browser is shown on the left as an additional tab in the SOLIDWORKS Feature Manager. VisualCAM outputs the multi-axis motions needed to achieve continuous 5-axis surface machining. The final part is shown on the workbench. Being situated in Warren, Rhode Island, Moore Brothers Company is carving out a niche market for tailored, made-to-order downhill skis. The ski cores are machined from poplar wood blanks using 2.5, 3, and 5-axis toolpath strategies in VisualCAM for SOLIDWORKS. The image shows VisualCAM simulating a continuous 5-axis machining operation. You can also see the parts being machined on the CNC Machining Center. Product testing is shown at Sugarbush Ski Resort in Warren, Vermont. We call this the fun part. Here's a short video showing the cut material simulation for a 5-axis flow curve machining toolpath strategy. Cut material removal simulation and display are performed in VisualCAM by using MachineWorks libraries. Quality and craftsmanship are more than just an end result at Moore Brothers. They are family traditions. Pictured here is Alfred William Moore, Oliver and Samuel's great-grandfather, working in his St. Albans, UK shop in the late 1940s. With Oliver and Samuel's talent and VisualCAM for SolidWorks at their side, we expect to see Moore Brothers Company continue the Moore family tradition. For each and every project, MecSoft Corporation will continue to be their CAM partner. For more information about Moore Brothers Company, they invite you to visit and like them on Facebook. To find out more about VisualCAM for SolidWorks or to schedule your own live demonstration, just give us a call or visit us online at www.mecsoft.com. We would like to extend a special thanks to Samuel and Oliver Moore for allowing us to share the Moore Brothers Company success story. This video was brought to you by MecSoft Corporation, your CAM partner.